If you're looking to protect your retirement savings from the destructive forces of inflation, then you're likely wondering about the best ways to invest in inflation-proof assets. Whether you're nearing retirement or already in your golden years, inflation is a real concern, especially when you're relying on a fixed income. Today, I'm going to share with you the most effective strategies to ensure your wealth not only survives inflation, but thrives in the face of it. Now, before we dive into the specifics, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement savings. And if you're someone with 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 Plus in savings, this could be the game changer you need. Let's start with the obvious: gold. When it comes to inflation proofing your retirement, gold is the king of assets. Historically, gold has been a hedge against inflation, holding its value when the dollar weakens. If you haven't already looked into gold IRAs, it's crucial that you do. Unlike traditional savings, which lose value as inflation rises, gold is a tangible asset that appreciates over time. That's why so many retirees are moving a portion of their wealth into gold IRAs. If you want to learn more about why this is one of the safest options available, I highly recommend you check out that free guide I mentioned earlier. Now, let's take a look at some other inflation-resistant options. Real estate, for example, is another popular choice for those looking to preserve their wealth. Real estate typically appreciates in value, even when inflation is high, and it can generate passive income. However, buying property can be expensive and difficult to manage. That's where gold IRAs shine. You get the benefits of a tangible, inflation-proof asset without the hassle of property management. Next up is Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, or TIPS. These government-backed bonds are designed to rise in value with inflation, making them a secure choice for those who want a relatively low-risk investment. The downside? The returns are modest, and when compared to the growth potential of gold, TIPS often fall short. Another inflation-proof asset to consider is precious metals beyond gold, like silver or platinum. They've proven to hold their value during inflationary periods, but again, gold remains the most reliable and widely accepted option. Plus, if you're considering diversifying, you can always add precious metals into a gold IRA. Now, let's talk about stocks, specifically dividend-paying stocks. While they can grow in value over time, they don't always keep pace with inflation. Some sectors like utilities, consumer staples, and healthcare tend to do better during inflationary periods. But here's the thing: no matter how solid your stock picks are, they don't have the same long-term stability and certainty as gold. If you're relying on the stock market alone, you're putting your retirement savings at risk to volatility. Finally, let's look at commodities like oil, natural gas, or agricultural products. While these can be great inflation-proof investments in the short term, they're notoriously volatile. You have to track global markets, and a sudden price swing could impact your portfolio in a way that gold simply doesn't. Gold's stability makes it a far safer choice. So, after looking at all of these options, it's clear that a gold IRA stands head and shoulders above the rest when it comes to providing consistent, long-term inflation protection. If you want to ensure your retirement stays protected and grows even in tough economic times, there's no better option than diversifying into a gold IRA. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 Plus in savings, I highly recommend you click that first link in the description to grab your free gold IRA guide. This could be the step that changes everything for you in the next 2 weeks. Remember, inflation doesn't have to be the end of your retirement savings. With the right strategies and a bit of smart investing, you can ensure your wealth stays intact. Don't wait. Take action today to protect your financial future.